Hello, good day. My name is Malcolm Hall, and today we'll be setting up the DHCP configuration in VirtualBox. So to start off, we're going to go into our Windows server, and we're going to open the server manager. We're going to select Add Roles and Features, and we're going to follow some of the steps that we use to make our Active Directory. So from here, we'll just be selecting Next. We'll leave it on role-based or feature-based installation, selecting Next. This stays the same, selecting Next. Now here, the one different thing is that for this one, we are selecting DHCP server. As you can see, these are the features required for the DHCP server. We select Add Features. From here, we select Next. There are no other features that we would like to add, so from here we just select Next. This just gives us a little rundown on the Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, or DHCP for short. From here we select Next. And this is just a mini summary of everything that we have previously selected. From here we select Install. This process may take a while. So now that it is completed, from here we select Complete DHCP Configuration. We select Next. This stays the same. Connect. This is just a summary. And we select Close. Right. And with that, the DHCP server is completed. From here we go into Tools and we select DHCP. As you can see, our server is here. We select it and we select IPv4. We see that it says that we can add a scope. So we just right click IPv4, select New Scope. And it opens the new scope wizard. We select Next from here. We'll just be creating a name for our scope. We could just call it Zephyr Scope. And we could just have a description here if you would like. And we just select Next. And this is where we input the range that the scope covers. So for reference, if I wanted to start at the host and end at our Windows 10 server from other videos, I would just put 192.168.1.1 and it would end at 192.168.1.12. As you can see, the subnet mask has already been entered. We select Next. And here's where we would select any exclusions. So let's say if I wanted to skip the IP addresses that have 5 to 8. Just put 5 here. 192.168.1 and put 8 here and just press Add. So we see that it will exclude the IP addresses from 192.168.1.5 to 192.168.1.8. We select next from here. This is the least duration. So let's say I want them to be on for about 8 hours. And we could just configure that, 8 hours, select next from here. Right. We'll just configure these settings now. To add an IP address, so I'll just put 192.168.1.1. Add. Select next. Right. From here we could just select next. Could skip this as well. Right, so it says here that it asks us if it wants us to activate the scope. We select yes, select next from here. And with that, we have completed the creation of the scope. We select finish, and we could see that our scope is here. Right. And with that, we have successfully configured the DHCP in Windows Server 2016. Thank you very much for watching, and have a nice day.